Okay, Birdies. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a donut in Blender.
Let's do it, Tina.
Okay, start by adding a torus. Make sure to adjust these parameters: segments and radius. Set your desired value and now you have a base shape of the donut. You can also make the base shape by adding a cube.
A cube?
Yes, add a subdivision surface modifier, go to edit mode and extrude and scale the top and bottom faces. Delete the extruded faces, press Alt and select these two edges. Right click and bridge edge loops. Now you have a base donut shape.
I want some cream on the top.
Did you mean icing? If you want icing, duplicate the base shape and try to scale it by using the scale tool.
Look, here's my donut.
That's great, Nick. But we have more steps until the end. To make the icing more interesting, go to Edit mode, press O to activate proportional selection and slightly modify the shape of the icing. Select these parts of the mesh and try to move and scale them until the bottom view looks like this.
Okay, Susie, but how do I make it? What did you do?
I bent to the X-ray mode. Click here and that's how you can select your faces like this. Alright, now choose any random face and extrude by pressing E. Try to extrude 2 times and scale it so that the icing doesn't go away from the donut.
Okay, E, scale. It looks great.
Thank you. This is the base model and now we have to add some sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
You can do it by adding a simple cube. Add subdivision surface modifier and make some small modifications of the cube. Add the particle system to the icing. Go to particles.
But why shouldn't I add sprinkles manually?
Because particle system is a much faster way. Go to particles and click plus to add a particle system. Instead of emitter, the type will be hair.
Why does it look so fuzzy?
Because we need to change some settings of the particle system.
Okay, what are those settings?
The first setting is to enable advanced options. This will enable some settings like rotation, because you want the sprinkles to be rotated randomly. So you should check that option. Then go to render, render as object, and for the instance object you need to set the sprinkle.
Alright, but look how the sprinkles are located all around the icing. We need to fix that.
Yes, you are right. To remove the unnecessary hair, go to edit mode.
Alright.
Here we need to use the cut tool, and after some modifications and coming back to object mode, our donut icing looks like this.
Yeah, but I want it to be colored.
Alright, if you want to add textures, you need to have a UV map first.
UV map?
Go to UV editing to make a map for texturing. Make sure to unwrap the model first. Because unwrapping is a complicated step, you can get the desired result by selecting an edge loop with Alt key, right click and select Mark Seam. This creates a seam that will be unwrapped. Try to select any edge loop you want.
And how to make that UV map?
First, you need to select the entire mesh by pressing A. Then, press U on your keyboard and select the first option. Unwrap angle based, but you can try any other option.
We can now texturize the donut. But when I go to texture paint and try to paint some textures, here's a message that I get.
Wait, Nick. Go to shading and add a material. First we load the texture here, plug the color, make it clear. Image texture node to node, watch the donut, take its coat. Pick a color, paint the glaze. Watch the donut shine and glaze. All the donuts you can see are for you and me. I love texture painting. I'm painting the treats. How is it going, Birdies? We are adding some sprinkles and it looks neat. Brush size bigger, brush size small. Strength and color, change them all. Pick a color, paint the glaze. Put the donut shine and glaze. Grab the brush and set the flow. Change the strength and watch it go. Color picker, red and sweet, painting every tasty treat. In the toolbar we can see all the tools for you and me. Brush and smear and fill the glaze, painting donuts in a haze. I love texture painting, to paint every treat. How is it going, birdies? We're making something sweet. All the donuts you can see are for you and me. Pick a color, paint the glaze, watch the donut slowly raise. We're the bravest birdie team in the whole Birdsburg. Come on, birdies, in the next episode we will be making games together. Yay! Let's make games!
Did you like this episode? Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and support the Birdies animation project on social networks.